Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use ChatPDF AI for your research. So what this does is it basically uh, searches for you on your PDF and reviews for you on your PDF and researches for you also. So let's drop a PDF here. So this is what I will be using. There guys. So as you can see it will have this error sometimes. But this it will not be an issue because it will work successfully. So as you can see, you can just look on here. And for example, if we ask it a wrong question, so as you can see, it says that the PDF does not have that information, and that is true because this is all about height, health, and development on how you can maintain it. Also here it discusses the determinants of height, genetic potential, and nutrition, and it does not discuss on how you can increase the height. So in here we can ask a random question here. So as you can see, it is very useful, especially in school and also in work. So okay guys, that is how you can quickly use this AI. Thank you for watching and goodbye.